How to add front-end submission form to BuddyPress Profile. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to add front-end submission form to BuddyPress Profile. With this plugin, BuddyPress users can submit and edit WordPress article posts from their profile page. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. And then, install the WordPress front-end submission plugin. You can purchase it on Youzify.com. We put the product page URL in the description of this video. Once all required plugins are already activated, go to Youzify panel, Front-End Forms. Click the existing form there. But if no form created yet, please create a new one. Go to BuddyPress Settings, and enable Display as New BuddyPress Profile tab. And then select whether you want to set the tab as a tab or sub-tab. You also can change the icon, title, and slug. Let's see the result. Users can submit and edit articles from their profile page now. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.